love with me. Now so
Siguro magkaranta ka dito sa mga pag nag-iipudan kami. Magkaranta ka man?
Oh,
Kaya man.
yan.
Practice ha.
Remember I used to listen to before. I swear to me everything you do. And imagine everything was so. That's where you came from. Sila nagiging good and bad. Ano?
Hi, Beglan! Wala man yan sa...
Oh, it's been so glad to be with you.
Thank you for watching.
Aren. Aren ang kita po.
Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.
Through the years. Through the years, we never think it wrong. Together we were strong. I know that I've been alone with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt.
Thank you so much, Beglan.
It's out. Love, love's about loving you. Through the
You kiss my days away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Through the years.
Yun lang. Pwede rin araw maglamta. I don't know. Agay.
When I'm lying in my bed, from the stupid.
Mali. Mali pa na yun. Thank you so much. 5 people in the house.
Samantala mo na po.
I know it has been on your mind. The distance look is in your eyes. I thought with time you'd realize it's over. It's not the way I choose to live, and something somewhere's got to give. A sharing this relationship. It's older. You look good for you, but how can I find someone who isn't even there? I've had the rest of you, no, I want the best of you. I don't care if not that fair. Cause I want it all, or nothing at all. There's no one left to call when you reach the bottom. Is now or never. Is it all? Or are we just friends? Is this it how we am in a simple telephone call? You leave me here, nothing at all. There are times it seems to me I'm sharing you with memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it. And there's someone you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. This times I don't believe it's right. I know it. To make me promise, baby, nothing about to get away. I have the rest of you, I want the best of you. It's time to show and tell. Cause I want it all, or nothing at all. There's no one there to call when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? This is how we fuck you leave me here. Nothing, just you and I.
Some reminds me. Thank you so much, Paula Vera. Eagle, hi Eagle. Thank you, big line. Thank you for the likes. We know you here. Good morning.
See you beside me, it's only a dream. A vision of I used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but in the place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out the lights, in the night, it only reminds me of you. I needed my freedom, that's what I thought. But I was so close to defeat my heart light when you cried rivers of tears. But I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. So much, so much. I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you.
I like Mama.
Come back to me. I'm down on my knees. Why can't you see? How could I ever let you go? Easy to let you know. I tried to run from your side, but each time I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out of the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. I try to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I do out of the light, even the night, only reminds me of you. Only reminds me
Oh my god. Kuya, ay wag na kayo ka.
I recall when you looked and held me. You told me more, so much more like me. The time you whispered in my ear, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even seeing that you're leaving. I was worried it won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I prayed if you would stay, but then you're gone and go so far away. I was afraid as time goes, I wasn't prepared to face this final party from within. I learned to live my life beside you. Maybe you just too good tonight. It's all my dream you're coming, touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart breaks. And then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt. It really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you will stay, but then you're gone and I go so far away. I was afraid as time goes, I wasn't prepared to face this kind of party from the dead. I joined my life beside you. Maybe you just love you tonight. Into my dream of going, what we once again. I still believe till my
Then you
I don't hurt to live my life beside you. Maybe I've just been a bit tonight. And if it's too bright, then you'll come and touch me once again. I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart sings. I will be something for myself, boy, fine.
panos na yan. Ay, di.
Mika, tapos sulok yan. Bye-bye.
Hindi ko ba?
Thank you so much. Hi, please. How are you? Bicol. Thank you for your thumbs up.
Tama
A
na?
lot of people in the house.
Sige, may luto natin dito.
Ito na naman wait lang, kalimito ko yung top.
You don't understand you will. The little mind is flying to the end. Children to still any memory. Wondering why my life is not that big. I still recall the sweet movies of you. The joy and all your laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't hear gone.
Hi, Lily. I'm fine. Thank you, my dreams.
Thinking to myself, maybe something to find. Finding out why everything went wrong. Falling down my cheeks, and I'm trying to fall. And so by the sun go. Wanted you this day, tears began to show. You said you care for me, but they had to go. You know, I want you to go. I don't want to remember the things we used to do. All the things that reminds me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want to feel the pain in my heart.
Hi! Come on! Come on, Peter, hello! Thank you for the sending cards.
I just can't believe you're gone. I don't want to remember the things we used to do, all the things that reminds me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want to feel the pain in my heart. I don't want to feel, to remember the things we said.
Thank you, 7 people in the Ate tayo ng luto ko sana. Managkamalan niya. Ay, sorry na. Merry Christmas! Oh, sige po. Kumain ka na.
Picking out, picking in, two letters of peace. Sometimes we can do things.
Falling out, falling in, and you're showing this world, you know. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing our lives are fair. We can really never there at
Ay, adiho. Okay, ayo.
all. Never a place, sometimes we never go understand. It's a thing that you do, just stay. We can never really let it go. But oh, can you see that no matter what happens, life goes on its own, baby. Just like so always around you, and make you see how beautiful life is with you and me. See a little time, baby. See a butterfly stars. Listen to the birds that be in you. Can you feel me? It's such a
Sampayan ko lang yung pakagaling.
If I reach you I am mine. Please smile. You never hide.
Utang mo na ako dito lang. Wala kami luto.
Ano dito? Ito naman.
Mainit. Nanay.
Pamaadaw ka man.
Hala, di mo binutang.
Wala nga eh. Pagkabot ng butangan eh itong doon.
Ano yun na?
Sabi sa mo kasi dapat na.
Ang kabulkikan mo ka doon yung tutang. O, dito, dito.
Wait to see you by my side.
Luto ko ng alanganin.
Bye-bye. Si Wawa.
I'm all
Ano yun?
Days and dark without a lips. Now she came to my life. I feel lonely. I was really shining against me. Love is never slow.
Thank you so much. 14 people in the house. Feliz Natividad. Shout out from Colorado, USA. Shout out to you, William. Beno. Hi, Beno.
We all used to be. Reminds me of the things that we've been through. I can't believe it's true. In my heart, every reality is you. I'm all alone without you. Days are dark without your lips. Now the games of my life feel complete. Flowers bloom, they shine, I can't see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel inside. Your love is like a river that flows down to my feet. I feel you inside. Your love,
Ano nga ito, piyatot? Nakako ko yun.
Yatos na.
Kanay po piyatot, kay tato ko.
Ako ka na.
Nakala din ito. Pagkaroon nagkakarulungan kami siyan.
my roses will
Ito pa, oh.
wait around to someday. The right things that I if the universe looks and I love the way you and why you know where you will
Thank you.
close your eyes.
Monday.
When I seems to me you'll be safely that you away from 1,000 feet very hard you'll be safely
Veno. Hi, Veno.
even how we love to be
Hi,
wild.
Veno. Hello.
A little too many things like we were so high. But that was all that we were needing know. If the world doesn't understand, the sound like the union, why to stay? Someday we will be set free.
Hi, vegetable. Yeah, vegetable.
When the light disappears, and when this world is here, you'll be set free. Nobody is to scream, I swear with you, you'll be set free. Save your eyes from your tears. And when you serve, will be set free.
Forty. 40 years old. May 40 years old din, no?
Sorry.
Yata naradag sa imo si Papa eh.
Narahatid ko yung mga
My niece, they are my niece daughter. Glenford, Gimena, hi. Yeah, daughter.
Ayo!
Ka! Gus!
Who is that man? My nephew. Yes, my nephew. My sister son.
Wait lang.
Douglas. Hi, Douglas.
Try nga lang eh.
Number down.
Makan pa?
Ate, may anak ka.
Oh, dagang anak
Yung ang anak na.
Oh, it's small baby. Shell's daughter.
Baby, you were
Her daughter.
Anak ka.
Nakapoto mayamay. Kaluan. Baby, I know what you do. And I love if I was you. If you ever be, baby, you would take it in. Running my eyes. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever someone?
Adik ko, aman ito na. W. W.
Thank you for the light.
Bawa na ka mo?
Thinking.
May sarok.
She's always in
May
my
sarok pa doon.
the time when we wake up. till the close my eyes. She's everywhere I go. She's around me.
So, familia, yes, familia. Quezon, thank you for
Everything.
thank you so much for watching.
Now she's
Tell me where to start.
cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her
Coffee jelly.
maybe my love will come back someday.
Familia, yes, familia. Thank you for sending that.
Ano?
Ikaw naman.
Oo naman. Nasa pa lang yung kanina ng loob.
Sa loob daw. Huwag ito rito sa loob.
Let's eat.
Can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true?
Na, bako na. Ikaw, dito sa maluwas, ikaw kung sa'yo. Meow, meow. Oh, July. Meow, meow.
Wanna promise me your love. Where you said goodbye. How do you feel?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. 19 likes. My God. Ay, shit. I'm at 11:38 and maybe I want to say please love me too. 'Cause I know. Pinamura na. Tapos na. Ayan. Makanta kita. Gapar ba daw ako sa kay makanta ako. Cellphone mo. Kama video okay. Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too. 'Cause I know. Ben. Ay, lubat?
Yung pinarang ko tita.
Apa na Ben?
Hindi sa likod.
Baliktad. Ano yan, di ba?
BT speaker.
Edi lang.
So may dagan doon BT speaker tulo pa. Pero yun, amo na.
Ayun.
Yan isakto.
Sakto.
Sunday. Sabi niyan, nandang yan dito?
26. Di ba 26 ngayon?
26.
26.
Ha? 26 na yan?
Aram ko, 26 na yan. Lunes. Oh, mga lunes.
2025. Biyernes?
Oh, ano ba? Mao, Biyernes.
Biyernes niya? Alam, naku, ano na yan?
Maliit, Mami.
Basta lang ngayon yung pareho mo yung nakalendaryo. Naku, lunis na yun. January pa lang na yun.
Okay, may magkumalis.
Biyernes pa lang niyan.
Biyernes. Oh my God. Familia. Yes, familia.
Ano yung open taga diri kung mga pagkakataon matatapos. Yung issue. Ay, yung papers mo. Tulong na kaya? Palitan tama.
Here I am alone in this empty room. Let my describe to the end. Those of you still linger in memory.
Pinalitan ko ngayon?
Okay.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how you run. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell you sickness next questions. Let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming circles, without a silence apart. Nobody said it was easy. Such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one said it'd be this far. Take me back to the start. I was just guessing as numbers with figures. Questions of science, science in progress. Don't let speak us heart. But don't be rude, maybe come back and home. Going back to the start.
Jayla, madumi dyan.
Barya ka pa?
Ay, may bubog ba ga?
Barya na.
May bubog ba ga? Sabi namin.
Oh, Jayla, oh.
Isang may
Hi, Ronald. Thank you so much. Thank you for the...
When silence slowing down, children loving all around, like a chain on, like a fairy tale will come true. Sitting by fire with me, you're the answer when I pray. I will find someone, yes, maybe I'll find you. Oh, it's to hold you forever. All I need is you every day. I got it. He'll save my heart from death. Live for everything. For again. Watching as you softly clear, but if you then I could be
Mati nga daw.
just a smile. All the times it's true, but the colors fade away, and the years won't make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, still the beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more.
Hi, Noya. Thank you for watching.
Family ko po pala. Si Mom, Dad, Ate, Kuya Ina, mga pinsang buo at Kimberly.
Kasi ka na.
Mama at mama! Nagkain na ako!
Wow!
Oh my God! Na ano kay Jayla? Nagagamit kay Jayla.
Kain na sa...
For me, left to say,
Oh, ito nga si ano? Ay, message.
Come take my hand and together we will rise. Always on the road, you is love. Always on the road.
Tigil na natin yung kalokohan na to. Oh my
Hindi
God.
niya pagkura.
Ikaw, nakamate?
Kasi busog ako na lang pinakamu ko ba?
Stop singing now. Music is not good for me.
Hindi, ano na doon kayo.
Pabayad mo ako.
Ay, nakikita na ako. Mali ko na dyan. Ay, mo na dyan.
Anak?
Play.
Ano tsura? Sa tabi?
Frozen pa no. Ay, ganyan. Baya. Nagdarang si ka. Paano frozen na paano siya? Di ba yung out?
On the winds of love, only the two of us together flying high. Thank you so much. Need to prepare. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.